Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about ABS function in Salesforce. So let's proceed and firstly understand what does we mean by ABS function. The ABS function in programming return the absolute value of a number, which is the non-negative value without regards to its sign. Whether the input is positive or negative, the result is always positive. Let's proceed and discuss the syntax of the ABS function. Here you can see the syntax ABS is given on your screen. Here we pass the number field formula as a parameter in value from which we want to determine the absolute value. The value specified in the parameter can be a numeric constant or a formula. This ABS function only works on a numeric data, such as integer, decimals, and doubles. If you use it with other data types, such as a text or any other non-numeric data type, it will be proceed as an error. So, it also recommended use it with a number. So now let's proceed and learn to calculate the absolute value using ABS function in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we firstly move to our Salesforce org. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. If you are not in the Lightning edition, firstly switch to the Lightning one, then proceed. And here we are going to discuss how to calculate the absolute value in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, you can see I click on the gear icon and then click on the setup option and it will take us to the setup home page. Now it's time to decide. Now it's time to select the object manager that is present on the nav bar. Click on this object manager and it will take us to the object manager list page. Here lots of objects are present and now it's time to select the object on which you want to use the ABS function. So here I want to select the opportunity object. So I search the opportunity in the quick find box and click on the opportunity object that is a standard object. Click on that and it will take us to the opportunity page and here I select the fields and relationship option and here I select the new button for creating the new field and here I choose the field type as a formula, which is a read-only field that derives its value from a formula expression you define. The formula field is updated when any of the source field can change and then click on the next button. Our next button is present at the top and the bottom of the page. You can select any of that and now it will redirect us to the next step, that is choose output type. Here firstly fill the field label and here we are filling the field label as a absolute sales variance. So enter the absolute sales variance and then enter the field name. You can see which is pre-populated. When I clicking on that and then select the formula return type, it only returns the value in the form of the number and the currency. And here I select the currency return type and then click on the, and then you can see in the bottom a decimal place option is present and here if by default selected as a 2 and I did not change this value and click on the next button and it will move us to the next step, that is enter the formula. Now here enter the absolute sales variance formula. Suppose I want to calculate the absolute value for the sales variance and it is the difference between the target sales and the actual sales. So if you are going to do that thing first, you keep in mind that we have to need two fields for it. The first one is the target sales and the second one is the actual sales. And we are going to find the difference using the ABS function. So for this, I click on the drop down arrow and our ABS function is the math function. So I click on this math category and click on the ABS and then click on the insert selected function. You can see the ABS function returns the absolute value of a number without its sign. And then you can see our ABS function is comes and it has a parameter number. And now I enter two fields. First one is target sales and the second one is the absolute sale. So as I told, we need to find out the sales variance. So it is a target sale, subtract the actual sale. So for this, I erase this number parameter and enter the field target sales and the actual sales inside it. For this, I click on this insert field and from here, I select the field. Now here I select the target sale and here is our field target sale. Click on this insert button and you can see the target sales comes inside the parameter of the ABS function. Now I select the insert operator, that is a subtract. You can manually enter the subtract sign and you can also select this insert operator like that, and then again click on insert field and select the actual sales and click on the insert button, and here our formula is created. Now check the syntax, it is correct or not. Now click on the check syntax option and here we go, no syntax error in the merge field or function is found. You can also enter the description and the help text if you want, otherwise leave it as it is, and you can handle the blank field. If your formula reference any number, currency or percentage field, specify what happened to the formula output when their value are blank. It treat blank field as a 0 or treat blank field as a blank. Now click on the next button and it will redirect us to the establish field level security step. Now select the profile to which you want to grant the added access to this field via field level security. The field will be hidden from all the profiles if you do not add it to the field level security. But this time I want to add all the field profiles to the field level security. That's why I click on the visible checkbox and then click on the next button, and it will redirect us to the last step, that is the add to page layout. Select the page layouts that should include this field. The field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of these page layout. The field will not appear on any pages if you do not select a layout. Here I select lot of layout that are present here and then click on the save button, and you can see our field is created. Now it's time to check whether it is working or not. Now you can see our field is created, absolute sale variance. Now it's time to check whether it's working or not. So for this I click on the app launcher and then enter the opportunity in the search box and click on the opportunities. It will redirect us to the opportunity record page, and here you can see the lots of opportunities are present, and I click on the drop down arrow and click on the all opportunities. Here you can see lots of opportunities are present. Select any of the opportunity. I pick up random one and then click on the details and scroll down. Here you can see the target sale. So enter the target sale here. Now this time I enter the target sale is this and the actual sale is this. And now I click on the save button and here we go. The absolute sales variance is this 19,000. It did not give any negative value, it's only give the positive value. The target sale and the actual sale gives the absolute sales variance. So with this we have learned how to calculate the ABS function in Salesforce Lightning. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.